Conversation 1.
How did you do on the test?
Not great. I wasn't able to answer all the questions. I ran out of time.
Same here. Some of the questions were really hard.
Were you able to finish the essay section?
Yeah, I was able to do that at least.
Me too. Although I wasn't able to write 300 words.
Me neither. How many words did you write?
I was only able to write about 200 words.
Same. Well, fingers crossed. I hope we get a good grade.
Yes. Fingers crossed.
Conversation 2.
So, how is the wedding planning coming along?
Good. We have finalized most of the arrangements.
Are you still having the wedding at the lake?
No, we weren't able to get the place we wanted.
Oh, then where are you having it then?
We are having it at a hotel in the countryside.
Well, that sounds nice.
Yeah, in the end, it worked out well. We were able to get a really good deal on the caterer, too.
Oh, that's great. I'm glad to hear it.
Conversation 3.
I'm sorry I wasn't able to attend your birthday party on Saturday.
Yeah, what happened? We were expecting you.
Well, my babysitter canceled, and I wasn't able to find a replacement.
Oh, that's too bad. Maybe next time.
Well, I really wanted to go. I'm sorry I couldn't make it.
No worries. Some other people couldn't make it also.
Oh, good. I'm glad I was not the only one.
Conversation 4.
Before I forget, how was your trip to New York?
It was fun. We had a great time.
Did you see the Statue of Liberty?
No, we weren't able to get tickets for the ferry.
What about the Empire State Building? I hope you were able to see that.
We were able to go there, but we weren't able to go to the top.
Oh no. Why not?
It was closed for maintenance or something.
Oh, that's too bad.
Well, I'm sure we'll go back someday.